What if I told you that you can shoot professional multicam videos using just iPhones and control everything from a single iPad? No cables, no clunky gear, and just the free Blackmagic Camera App. Let's turn your mobile devices into a full production studio. In this video, I'll walk you through a complete multicam filming setup using 2 iPhones and an iPad, all connected through the Blackmagic Camera App. We'll cover setup, linking, remote control, recording, and some bonus pro tips to get the smoothest shot possible. Whether you're making YouTube videos, interviews, or short films, this workflow could save you time, money, and headaches. First, you're going to need to install the Blackmagic Camera app on your iPad and both iPhones. Make sure all 3 devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, and for best performance, use a local Wi-Fi router. Now grab your iPad. This will be the controller for the whole shoot. Open the Blackmagic Camera app and go to Settings and find the Remote Camera Control section and turn it on. Then give your iPad a name like Controller Pad. After that, set a simple remote password, something like 12345. The password has to match on all your devices. And finally, set the camera to be available for control and monitoring. Next, let's configure the iPhones. Repeat the same steps for both. Open the Blackmagic Camera app and go to Settings and enable Remote Camera Control. This time, set them as remote cameras. Call them either Camera A or Camera B or Camera C, and use the same password that you used on the iPad. And again, allow both cameras to be controlled and monitored remotely. Back on the iPad, let's link everything together. Go to the main camera view. In the top left-hand side, you'll see the remote icon. Tap on it and you'll see the iPhones appear in a list. Turn them both on. At this point, you'll have a few options to choose from. You can sync recordings so that all cameras start and stop together. You can link controls so things like exposure and white balance are matched. And the last one, you can copy all of the iPad settings to the other devices. Once everything is linked, you'll see both iPhones side by side on the iPad. Or you can tap on the icon below the remote icon to enlarge them, or just stick with the split view. And here's the cool part. You can adjust focus, exposure, and even frame rate, all directly from the iPad. It's like having a mini control room in your hands. So now if you're ready to roll, just tap record on the iPad. If sync is turned on, both iPhones will start recording at the same time. You'll even see live audio meters, battery levels, and storage info from each camera. If you want to make your shoot even smoother, here's a few quick tips. Use a dedicated Wi-Fi router to avoid slowdowns. Turn off live previews during long shoots to keep the phones cool. And definitely use battery packs or power banks because multicam takes can drain batteries fast. And that's it. You now have a full multicam video rig powered entirely by iPhones and an iPad, using nothing more than the free Blackmagic Camera app. No extra gear, no complicated setup, just clean pro-level control. Be sure to hit the like button and drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one, guys.